Students, today we will start a new chapter, that is your control and coordination. All of you know what are sense organs, and there are 5 types of sense organs in human beings. Sense organs are those organs which help us to receive any information from outside the world and then transmit it to the brain. Like if you are standing in sun in a summer day, the sense organ which will realize the increase in temperature of your outer environment will be your skin. So now your skin will send this message to the brain that your body needs to be moved from that area because temperature is rising, because you are standing in a sun on a summer day. So skin is a sense organ. This is how sense organs work. They send signal to the brain, and what brain does, it interprets or it studies or studies the information, and then accordingly it makes your body work. Your actions will be performed by your body. So basically brain is the CPU of our body. Like there is CPU in the computer system also, which processes all the information. Brain is the same CPU in our body. It processes all the information brought into it. It interprets it, studies it, and then gives the output in the form of the actions. Now if you are standing on a summer day, if you are standing in sun, what your brain will do, your brain will send signals to your body that the temperature is increasing and you should move from there. So your action will be that you will move from that place to a shady place or in a cold temperature area. So what is stimulus? Change in the environment which initiate the action of organisms. What is stimulus? Any change in your environment, कोई भी ऐसा change which initiates or which triggers action in your body is stimulus. Like in this situation, what was the stimulus? Stimulus was the sun. Heat coming from the sun was the stimulus, and your movement from that place to a shady place was your action. So what is stimulus? Stimulus is change in environment which initiates the action of organisms. Now working together of various organs or parts of organisms in a systematic manner is called as coordination. Now first word is control. Your brain is controlling all your actions. Second is coordination. Your actions are coordinated with your brain and amongst themselves. Like for example, let us consider an example. If you are eating food, your brain directs your one hand to eat the food. क्या आपका दूसरा हाथ भी बिना किसी इन सिग्नल के या बिना किसी कोऑर्डिनेशन के अपने आप खाना खाना शुरू कर देता है? नो. So this is coordination. Means your whole body part and your whole brain is working in coordinated manner to perform a certain function. And the cells which are responsible for it is neuron. All of you are aware with the word neuron. Neuron is the structural and functional unit of the brain, and brain sends signal or receives signal with the help of neuron.